Now, with your experience inside of the culinary industry, do you think it's more collaborative or competitive?
Honestly, I feel like it's both. And in the DMV, I feel like it's a lot of competition. But for me, I'd rather collaborate than compete because at the end of the day, everyone have to eat. So if we can both get our names out there to satisfy the people, why can't we do that compared to competition when you're just competing for what? Like, I like competing to win, but when it comes to food and this industry, it's too many of us in one area. So why are we competing anyways? Like, we might as well collaborate. So I do a lot of my events. I try to get other people to like partner with me. So over the summer, it was an event called Port Sound Day, and it's basically a community event day. And I had ordered vegan hot dogs from one company and then organic lemonades from another company. And then I had food. So I wanted to bring different people in with me so they can get their company known, so they can get their company out there as well as mine.